How to update TWRP recovery on the POCO X3 Pro. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can update TWRP recovery on the POCO X3 Pro. Now, for full disclosure, I do have the international variant of the POCO X3 Pro, which is codenamed Vayu, but as you must already know, recoveries for Vayu and Bhima, the Indian variant, are the same, which means this process will work even if you have the Indian variant codenamed Bhima. Now, right now I am running MIUI 12.5.1, but again, the process will work even if you have a custom ROM which is based either on MIUI or say AOSP. Another thing, my device is rooted right now because on stock MIUI you do need to root your device for TWRP to be not replaced with stock Mi recovery, and the process of updating your TWRP has nothing to do with say root. So if you're rooted, your device will remain rooted. Then nothing to do with your modules. What are the files which you need? So what you need is the latest image file for TWRP or the version to which you want to update to. Here it is. I do have 3.5.2 by Nebrasi on the internal storage of my device. First of all, we can go into settings, password and security, remove your screen lock, fingerprint and face unlock. Once that is done, reboot your device once. Now, why are we removing the security measures? We are doing this because we are changing our recovery, and in case you have any encryption issues, if your device is encrypted, then you won't be locked out of your TWRP recovery in case you have to roll back to the older build. That is the only reason, and you can of course add your accounts and your security measures back once you have installed it successfully. Next thing, we need to boot into our current recovery, which should be TWRP. So turn off your device, and once the device is turned off, press and hold power and volume up together till you see the recovery logo, in this case TWRP. So there it is, we have the TWRP splash image, and I can let go of the power and volume button. Now of course it does take some time for TWRP to load, so you have to be patient, and in some case the touch drivers also might take some time. So here it is, we are in TWRP. Now you will notice right now I have 3.5.1 underscore 10. Now do note, it is not necessary that the version will change every time. I am just using another version to show you that it changed. It is not necessary that it will change because it all depends on the developer of the recovery to show what is shown over here on the top. So first of all, let us back up our current recovery. Let us go into backup, and here in select recovery, and then the name right now is set to auto generate. If you tap on it, you can give it a name. So let me add the word hyphen TWRP over here and say check mark on the bottom right. So now the name has changed to the date, the time, and hyphen TWRP. Only recovery is selected and swipe to backup. So this is going to create a partition of our existing TWRP in case we run into any issues. Next up, tap on the home button, go into install. Now navigate to the folder where you have the new image file. Again, the new file needs to be in .img format. In my case, it is in download folder, and as you can see right now, I do not see anything because it is trying to install a zip. On the bottom right, you will notice install image. Tap on that, and now the image is over here, and this option changed to install image. Select this new one. On the next screen, select recovery and then swipe to confirm flash. Once that is done, tap on the home button. Now notice 3.5.1 on top, reboot, and let us boot back into our recovery. And there it is, you can see that the version has now changed to 3.5.2 underscore 11. Again, it is all up to the developer if he changes the version over here, but in this case that is true and that happened. Now next up, let us go into reboot and of course select system. And before you ask me, and before I forget, what if you want to downgrade or say switch over to any other recovery which is in .img format? You can use this very same process to do that as well. So here it is, we have booted back into MIUI. Of course, Magisk is still here and device is still rooted. So no change to root. Home screen setup is also the same. So there was no change to the home screen setup as well. And you can see set edit is still here. So there was no data loss either. Now, what if you run into any issues or you want to go back to the previous build which we have backed up? All you need to do is boot back into the recovery. So again, turn off your device, press and hold power and volume up together till you see the recovery logo. There it is. We are now booting into our recovery, and the version this time around, of course, is going to be 3.5.2. So if I want to go back to the previous version which I had backed up, I will go into restore, select this folder wherein we have the backup, and automatically you will notice that recovery is checked. Next, all you need to do is swipe to restore, and once this is done, home button, reboot, recovery, and when we boot back, we should be back to the older version, which I think was 3.5.1 underscore 10. And there it is. You can see the version now is 3.5.1 underscore 10. And there it is, peeps. That is how you update, or in case you want, you can also downgrade and change the TWRP recovery on your Poco X3 Pro. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares, and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.